Okay, so the 2 pints of apple yard cider cost us £11.90. Quite expensive. 2 pints, £11.90. Quite expensive, but it was very, very tasty. One of the best ciders I've drunk so far, and I am a cider drinker. And now we're on our way up the Cleveland Way because we cannot go down the beach because there, just there, is where we came round at Boggle Rock, and it is now covered in sea. So we are going across the cliffs along the Cleveland Way, which is already giving spectacular views. That down there is a little ice cream gift shop that sits above the harbour. The ice cream van we saw earlier has moved from round this wall here. You can just see he was down here somewhere, and he's now behind this house at the bottom of the slipway. But it is another well worth a visit place. Bluebells are still out, hawthorn. Excellent, absolutely. Now the sea's come in. It's coming in quite quick actually, because I was just watching a couple of minutes ago a man and his dog along this spit, and he was out here, and now this bit is covered. So you do have to be very aware of the tides and things. Right, so here we go, and it's high climb. And Steve's gone, he was helping me up, but I'm dawdling, so he's gone off. So they are very, very steep steps. And there that one leads to a little dark, dingly lane. I think Steve's in a bit of a hurry because, I mean, it's 1:45 and we still want to do Whitby, and what was the other one? I've forgotten where else we were going. Whitby was next, and then we were going somewhere else after that. We're hoping to get fish and chips in Whitby. Here he comes, coming back. Well, I'm on the right road, aren't I? Not that one.
Eh?
It is the right one, isn't it? Not the other one. Where are we going after Whitby?
Staves if you have time.
Staves, that was
If you
it.
have time.
But yes, highly recommend Robin Hood's Bay as well as Boggle Hole. And so far, Yorkshire is breathtaking. Ooh. I am loving it, apart from the climb.
Right.
Yep. Into Dingley Dell, a shady spot. Got much more climbing to do?
Eh?
Got much more climbing to do?
Not much.
But then we'll be at the bottom of the hill as well, won't we? even up here you can hear little waves. Woohoo! Is that the top?
That's the top.
Yay!
No, it's flat all the way.
Whew. That was a pull.
Okay.
That was a pull.
Uh-huh. All the black claw on that. That's black claw.
And we're flat.
All the way. Is the Cleveland way.
So that was the Cleveland way. Collapsed down onto the beach or collapsed down. So I've had to move. The Cleveland's the way. Eh? Said it was paused. So that means all this stunning scenery. No, in my luck, it hasn't. Is he moaning?
No, he ain't moaning at all.
Thank you. Thanks.
Come on, young man.
This is good, you don't know ever get
No,
my duty on this one. Thanks.
No problem, mate.
Hello. You look like you've been down on the beach.
They said, oh, we've been on the beach.
Oh, we're at Boggle Hole now.
Boggle Hole. Just.
So, as I said, I'm not sure whether my video took when I was telling you about the gorse and the smell of the gorse. The smell of lovely buttery smell. I don't think it smells buttery. It's certainly a beautiful smell. There we go, you can see all the landslides. Robin Hood's Bay in the distance. The sea is well in now. I wonder if the dolphins come as far this way as when we were in Bridlington yesterday. Well, apparently on Scarborough, Bridlington, they not only get two types of dolphin, they get minke whales as well. Like the minke whales we saw, they were black when they were surfacing out of the water. Whew.
Right, you ready to get down?
Down now, is it?
It's up the road. Keep to the edge and then we're going to keep going. And the steppy. Some of them are quite steep. That brings back memories. Whoever it's that.
Baby on the rucksack. We used to carry Kyle first, didn't we? Then Millie. I don't think Lily went in it, did she?
Really not so much, no.
And Jackson won't go in it.
No, we tried it, he wouldn't have it. It's a lot easier if we did.
Not how much he weighs now. He's a
Yeah, he's a bit of a tank, isn't he? He's quite steep. Let's go on the grass. Mud, it's easy for you.
There we go, Newcastle. Back to where we started. And now
Bottom of
the long crawl up the leafy lane. Holding my hand.
Yeah?
There we go. This in the little wheel feet. Back to Boggle Hole. So we have just walked half a mile along Cleveland Way from Robin Hood's Bay. There we go, welcome to Boggle Hole. This picturesque inlet has long been popular with walkers, beachcombers and fossil hunters. The YHA converted the old cornmeal into a hostel in the 1930s. It has previously also been used as a refuge for shipwrecked sailors and served as a billets for soldiers during World War II. The steep high cliffs are the result of the coastal geology hereabouts, with harder gritty sandstone sitting on top of older softer mudstone, which is worn away by the sea. Landslips eat into the cliffs year after year, which means that the National Park Authority, the National Trust and local landowners often work together to make the Clifftop paths safer for walkers. Wander down to the shoreline to discover a fascinating world of rock pools. Yep, there were lovely rock pools down there, seaweed and boulders. Anemones, shrimps, crabs, limpets and starfish all find a home here. Birds often come to feed with oyster catchers patrolling the sea edge and herons hunting prey in the shallow pools. Boggle Hole is on the Cleveland Way National Trail. and the England Coast Path. From here you can walk north along the Waymark Cliff path to Robin Hood's Bay, which is 1 mile, 45-minute walk. It's not a 45-minute walk, is it? Or south to Ravenscar, 2 miles, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Or even keep going as far as Whitby or Scarborough. If the tide is out, why not enjoy a walk along the beach to Robin Hood's Bay, which we did. You can always return on the Clifftop path to make a 2.5 mile, 2 hour circuit. Look for the Cleveland Way signpost in the village, which we did. There we go. Whew. The sun. There we have the Brown River. Goes down to the sea. By holding you up. Going for a cup of tea.
We're not in a rush here.
Thanks. What's that bubbling down there? Up we go. The cliff now, so I'm going to leave you here